Hey people, so it finally happened. 2 days ago, I provided an update about people emptying the store. Of course, America and panic buying, but the snow has come down heavily. It's still snowing. You can see the roads are empty. Really, nobody driving because it will be difficult to drive. I think the snow here is probably about 4 or 5 inches now. So I just thought I'll give you some update, and it's still snowing. Maybe it's probably gonna go more. So we're gonna have to see where it will get to once it stops. But yeah, so far this is what's going on here. Right around the mall area.